Welcome to the Pure Produce Solution, elevating the smart kitchen experience with Danolyte. Washing fresh produce with water alone gives the illusion of cleanliness. However, water doesn't remove all soil and surface contaminants. You can give your family the cleanest, freshest fruits and veggies possible with Danolyte Fruit and Veggie Wash, harnessing the power of nature. The Danolyte Wash protocol upgrades your routine. Unlike just water, Danolyte removes surface soil, is chemical-free, requires no scrubbing, and extends shelf life. The science of Danolyte uses hypochlorous acid, or HOCl. It's tough on residue, yet completely gentle on your food. It first breaks down surface soil, and then forms a shield around the plant cell. HOCl is eco-friendly and 100% safe. Smart kitchens choose Danolyte because it's 100% organic and chemical-free. It has no taste or odor, offers rinse-free convenience, and extends shelf life. Protect your produce investment. This timeline shows that Danolyte-treated berries stay fresh longer than those washed with just water. Danolyte promotes a life cycle of freshness, from grocery bag to plate, reducing waste, saving money, and enabling cleaner eating. Danolyte is an ecosystem for every meal. The spray bottle is for quick prep and spot cleaning. The refill engine ensures an economical supply to keep your kitchen running. Clean eating starts with a truly clean wash. Shop local and clean smart. Visit Danolyteglobal.com to learn more.